Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Siradul Faizi. Today in this video I am going to talk about how to prepare GATE examinations. While preparing for any competitive exams, make sure you study and plan smartly, and that is the important point. GATE in chemistry is different from other engineering streams. GATE exams, the paper is of 100 marks with 85 marks being for chemistry and 50 marks for general aptitude. MCQ carries negative marks, marking while NAT does not. And this is important point we have to discuss. The questions are of either 1 mark or 2 marks. You should consider the following things while you preparing your GATE exams. Make a study plan first, write down the topic from the syllabus and allocate the number of days you will need to give to a particular topic, and that is very important. Second point is that after reading a topic, make sure you do practice questions to test your understanding. Direct formulas are not always used in questions. Practicing questions will help you grasp a better knowledge of the subject. And point number third, never forget to attempt previous year questions paper. It is extremely important. You should have attempted at least 10-year paper positively 1 week before the exams. Questions to repeat. Next point, do not take aptitude sections lightly. And some people, they are thinking like that. So those 15 marks can change the game. Practice from a general aptitude book from GATE. That would be enough. Aim to score 100% in aptitude sections. So friends, my fifth point is give the mock paper available on websites. It will make you familiar with the environment and the inbuilt calculator. You should not face any difficulty in making calculations during the exams. Next point, attempt all NAT questions. They do not carry negative marks, and that is important. In MCQ, try to eliminate answers while attempting. It will help you in reaching the final answer. Friend, do not study new topic 2 days before the exam. It will only create confusions. Prepare formulas sheet, revise it daily. Revision importance. And my last point, stay calm and composed. Never lose hope. Do not panic during the exam. Never cheat on your timetable. Study regularly and you will be good to go. So some of topic that you must focus particularly while preparing to at least clear the exams. Physical chemistry, you should read quantum chemistry, Gibbs Helmholtz and Maxwell equations, thermodynamics, kinetics, surface chemistry and all the equations. Inorganic chemistry, coordination chemistry, organometallic, bio-inorganic chemistry and solid state, periodic table and the trends. And organic chemistry, pericyclic reactions, spectroscopy, biomolecules, some famous reactions and their mechanisms. Physical chemistry section will mostly consist of numerical. Do not make calculation mistakes. This is very important. If you are targeting a rank in the top 200, do organic chemistry thoroughly. And this is the topic where most of the students lag behind, and you can differentiate yourself from the others. So friends, hope these tips will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.